Gulf Access Waterfront Pool home located in the waterfront boating community of South Gulf Cove. Designed with a spacious open floor plan, allows for beautiful full views of the large, heated saltwater pool and the amazing view of the waterways and intersecting canals as soon as you walk through the front door. The zero-edge sliders effortlessly combine the inside of the home with the outside, making this the ultimate space for entertaining and relaxing. This home is move-in ready, newer lanai screening with a picture window, 50-year gutters and a new roof 2022. The upgraded features are extensive and include a gourmet kitchen with level 5 granite counters, a 9.5-foot island with a large, granite composite sink, a customized backsplash, stainless steel appliances, built-in oven with convection option, built-in microwave, extra large pantry and a stainless and glass vented fan over the built-in induction stovetop. Impact windows and doors have been installed throughout the entire home, including in the oversized garage and double-leaded glass door with frosted design at the entrance. Decorative tile with marble and granite walls, slate shower floors, arched entrances and Oceana glass sinks create a luxurious spa feel in the bathrooms, one of which has direct access to the lanai and pool area. This home is full of the extra touches that make it gorgeous, including crown molding, tray ceilings, a laundry suite, a large office with built-in desk and cabinets, a dock, 102 rip wrap with interlocking block seawall and brick pavers.